afternoon, Vedansh. Good afternoon. Are you writing your essay on exam?
Yeah.
Which subject?
English.
Is it English?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you are in the last page. Circle only the letters, okay? Continue.
Okay.
No. You
Starting.
don't show with finger.
Starting నుంచి.
Starting onwards. Good job.
Okay.
Great.
See. Okay.
Wonderful.
Next. Okay.
Good. Good job.
Next.
Sit properly. Fold your leg. Fold your leg, Nana. Continue.
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 J. Okay, J.
Still one more letter is there.
మిగలలేదా?
Search.
చెక్ చెక్. ఓకే గుడ్.
Done with all.
ఓకే.
Now proceed with the next one.
ఐడెంటిఫై ద లెటర్. ఈ లెటర్ ఏంటి చెప్పు నాన్న.
What is that letter?
వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ లెటర్?
G.
బి.
P. C.
Is that C?
No P.
Okay, then B. B after?
వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్
F.
లెటర్?
Very good.
దిస్ వన్.
E.
Great.
A. G.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
C. G.
Very good. Great job. Now color the page. First page to be colored. Rhyme. Say rhyme.
సే రైమ్.
Say rhyme.
రైమ్ చెప్పు.
One of the rhyme that you are interested. Say the rhyme. Say rhyme.
టూ లిటిల్ హ్యాండ్స్. ఓరల్ చెప్పు.
Which rhyme do you need to say?
రైమ్ చెప్పు నాన్న.
Say the rhyme.
ఆఫ్టర్ ఏ బాత్ చెప్తావా?
A.
ఆఫ్టర్ ఏ.
Cha 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 kiss
Very good. Now color the picture. That picture to be colored now. Go and get your color pencils.